Opinions expressed by the host do not necessarily reflect those of 3K Series, PCTV, ACTV, its management, or affiliates. Likewise, the views and opinions of guests do not represent those of the host, the show, the management, or the network.
Every story has a meaning. Every voice deserves a stage. Through the struggles and the healing, we find hope in every page. Coach Oren stands as the guide, with the guest and viewer side by side. In the circle of the show we see a light that sets the spirit free. 3K Series, we believe every heart has a dream to achieve. If we save just one, it's true. A million souls will shine anew. Through every story told, hope is stronger than we know. 3K Series TV, together we let love grow. Different journeys, different faces, different needs that life demands, but one message still embraces. We can lift with helping hands.
If this message isn't for you today, then share it in your own way. In your circle, in your crowd. One soul saved will make us proud.
3K Series, we believe every heart has a dream to achieve. If we save just one, it's true. A million souls will shine anew. Let's support, let's unite, spread the fire, share the light. 3K Series TV, together we save a life.
Different stories, different needs. But if together we can save just one soul out of a million, then this show has fulfilled its mission.
Good evening everyone! Welcome to our 3K series, Kapihan, Karunungan, Kwentuhan series. And tonight, we are live here at Bulabog, no? Dito po sa Bulabog Beach, of course, in connection with our Love Boracay Food Bazaar being organized by BFI or Boracay Foundation, Inc. No? And tonight, we will be talking about the people beyond Boracay, no? The content creators, voices of the island, no? How our content creators influence tourists, locals, stakeholders, family, and friends. So ngayong gabi po, pag-uusapan natin ano po yung nag-i-inspire sa kanila. Bakit sila gumagawa ng content? Bakit sila tumutulong para po i-promote ang Boracay Island? No? Is it really love for the island or self-satisfaction? So, malalaman natin mamaya kasi we'll be talking about with their leaders, no, and members ng Boracay content creators. Pero bago yan, punta muna tayo sa pinakamalalim na part ng ating episode ngayong gabi, no? Ano ba ang truth, influence, and psychology of making contents? No? Bakit lahat ng mga tao ay nasa cellphone na, no? Bakit lahat ng mga tao ay gumagawa na rin ng contents, no? Sabi nga nila, lahat ng mga tao vloggers na daw eh. So, anyway, shoutout po sa lahat po ng mga concessionaires ng ating Love Boracay Food Bazaar. And of course, sa ating mga tourists, locals, employees, stakeholders, owners, family and friends na nandito ngayong gabi, no? We are live here near the icon, the I Love Boracay icon here in Bulabog Beach. And of course, sa lahat po na nandito online, We are live via your Boracay Guide Facebook page and of course sa ating Paradise Cable Channel 1 and Channel 19 and Aklan Cable Channel 6. No? Shoutout po sa ating mga subscribers ng PCTV and ACTV. Sa hindi pa po nakakilala sa akin, I am your local TV host, Coach RM Lubaton. Pero bago yan, I would like to introduce our first host, no? Napag-usapan natin ano nga ba yung psychology ng making contents, no, online, no? She is a biopsychology graduate of LaSalle Rojas with a strong background in human resource management. Of course, she is an HR practitioner. Let's welcome here live at Bulabog Beach here in our Love Boracay Food Bazaar, Ms. Ellen Star L. Valgomera. Ms. Ellen Star, good evening po.
Okay, good evening everyone. Welcome to PCTV and so nice to be here again, RM.
Yes, of
Kasama
course.
na naman tayo.
Kumusta ka po, Ms. Star?
Yeah, my day is, great and I'm so excited to be here again.
Ayun. So, napakaganda kasi ng topic natin ngayon kasi nga ang dami ng nakikita ko mga tao na they focus more on their mobile, their cell phone, gumagawa ng video, nagpo-post. Napakaganda na rin ng ano. Tapos minsan, sa sobrang daming nagpo-post, nagbo-views, akala mo is true na ito, no?
Yes.
Ito na ba yung tama? Ito na ba yung how do they influence people? Pero my first question to you, Ms. Star, is how do people easily believe content creators online even, they are strangers?
Yeah, because this is due to authority bias and social proof. So, kasi pag nakakita tayo ng mga content creators who are confident, yung talagang magagaling mag-present.
Oo.
Alam mo yung sa isip natin, wow, idol to parang ganon. Ang galing nila. Parang, kung ako, I want to be like them also. Parang ganon.
Yung parang pagpasok mo, kung sa training room, no? Kasi we are in training. Pagpasok mo ng training room, nakasuit ka, tapos nataas no ka pa.
Yes.
Parang, uy,
Wow.
ano na to, authority ito,
Yes.
dapat maniwala ako, dapat makinig ako sa kanya.
Yes.
Di ba?
Yeah.
Yung parang gano'n.
Yeah.
So why are people always on their phones consuming content?
Maybe because, right now, alam mo naman, lahat ng mga tao na nagpo-focus na talaga sa cellphones, di ba? So, pag nakakakita tayo ng mga content creators, lalo na yung mga masasaya na papanood natin, tumataas din yung dopamine level natin, di ba?
Dopamine. Ano ibig
Yeah,
sabihin ng
dopamine level.
dopamine-driven behavior?
Yeah.
Ano ibig sabihin nun, Ms. Star?
Because, every scroll, like, halimbawa, nanonood tayo ng mga videos, lalo na yung mga trending videos ngayon, alam mo yung nai-influensyahan din yung mood natin, nagkakaroon din tayo ng excitement, di ba?
Ito yung parang if we're making contents, teka lang, pag-post ko kaya nito, maraming likes,
Yes.
maraming views.
Yes.
Tapos, siguro ito yung ay teka lang, ang daming views. Gagawa ako ulit.
Yes.
Yung parang paulit-ulitin mo.
Paulit-ulit, oo.
No, parang it is, parang, tawag
Parang
nito?
na-addict ka na sa
Na-addict ka
Yeah.
na sa, of doing it again and again because
Yeah.
it gives benefits to you.
benefits, yeah.
Oo. Why is it hard to know who is telling the truth online? Ito yung mga issues ngayon eh. Sino ba talaga yung nagsasabi ng totoo?
Yeah, actually hindi natin alam di ba? But because of, of the cognitive shortcuts, minsan doon tayo nagja-judge due to popularity, their appearance, and also the emotion. Di ba? So, pag nakakita tayo also ng mga content creators which are, very popular and talagang magaganda yung image, alam mo yung the usual is nagkakaroon ng stereotype na this content creator is, very good and has a high moral. Parang ganon. Diba?
Yung parang talagang may experience ito. Parang pumunta talaga siya doon.
Yes.
Yung mga ginagawa niya may katotohanan.
Yeah.
Grabe, no? Grabe Pero yun na nga eh. Minsan, kung sino yung pinakamasikat na maraming followers, maraming views, minsan yung point nila, hindi mo alam din, no? Kung talagang totoo ito, dapat ba paniwalaan ito?
Yes.
Is it not nakakatakot sa mga kabataan?
Yes, the usual ano ba yung reaction? Like me, I'm a parent. So, alam mo yon, iba kasi yung impact nun sa mga bata and also, iba rin yung impact sa mga adults, di ba? So usually talagang mas madaling ma-influence yung mga kabataan.
That's why, very important sa ating mga tele-viewers and Facebook viewers dyan na i-guide pa rin natin yung ating mga kabataan kapag nasa cellphone sila. No?
Yes, agree.
Why do some creators or influence decisions like yung travel, food, lifestyle?
Yeah. So this is what you called parasocial relationship.
Parasocial. Oh.
Yeah,
Dami ko
ano ba yung
natutunan.
parasocial relationship? No? Grabe, parang ang lalim, RM, ah.
Mm.
So, people feel, like kung may mga travel, kung may mga, like about foods, people feel always that parang connected din sila dun sa content. Alam mo yon? Yung parang feeling mo pag ikaw yung nanonood, andun ka rin.
Parang isinasabuhay nila kasi.
Yes. Oo.
Yung parang, sa bagay yung ngayon, yung mga effects, yung mga framing mo, yung angling mo,
Yeah.
kapag magaling ka doon, parang meron ng katotohanan eh.
Yeah.
Di ba?
Mhm.
So, how can viewers protect themselves from misinformation?
So, of course, number one is the use of critical thinking, di ba?
Mm.
And awareness of the bias, di ba? So, kasi kapag, minsan nga, madalas, yun nga, as what I have said, na madali tayong maniwala kung ano yung mga napapanood natin, di ba?
Totoo.
Di ba? So, we should always, use our critical thinking. Ano ba to? Tama ba itong pinapanood ko? Is this real? Or parang ano lang to? Parang gawa-gawa lang?
Parang
or
fiction lang
fiction,
ito.
yeah. Parang
or,
ganon, yes.
Parang ginawa lang ito para may mapanood yung tao.
Yeah.
Parang fairy tale lang ito.
Oo,
Yung
fairy
ganon.
tale. Oh, parang
Oo.
pantasya lang, kumbaga.
Oo.
Okay.
Totoo yun, no? Kasi we also need to protect ourselves talaga when it comes to information that we see online.
Yes.
No? Kasi
Yeah.
minsan, yung paniwala natin naiiba eh. So yung tanong ko doon, are we choosing content or is content shaping who we become?
Yes. Both, maybe. So, both. Because this is through repetition and exposure also. So, di ba? Kasi iba-iba yung mga beliefs natin. Iba-iba rin also yung preferences natin.
Tama.
And then also influence our behavior.
Totoo yan.
Yeah.
Sabi nga nila, in a world full of content creators, real challenge is not finding the information, but
Yeah.
knowing which is voice deserve your
Your
trust.
Yeah.
Ganun yun. Kasi hindi ibig sabihin na nag-post ka na, paniniwalaan ka eh.
Yes.
Kasi minsan, kahit totoong sinasabi mo, pero you have small likes,
Yes.
you have small views,
Yes.
yung mga tao hindi ka nila papaniwalaan eh.
Mm-mm.
'Di ba? Alam mo, Mr. On our next set on this episode ng 3K series dito sa Boracay Love Boracay Food Bazaar, no? Kausapin naman natin, no, ang mga content creators na talagang nagpapagod para sa isla ng Boracay,
Yes.
para dumami pa yung mga tourists, para naman magbigay ng magandang informasyon sa ating mga tourists, no?
Yeah.
They're known themselves, and ano ba ang advantage of having a group of content creators dito sa isla ng Boracay? Ito, sila kasi they are famous on their own page. No,
Yes.
right now we're bringing them on local TV in Paradise Cable and Aklan Cable, at kausapin natin sila kung ano-ano ba yung kanilang perspective, no?
Yes.
Siguro sa pagbabalik niyan ng ating 3K series, no?
Yeah.
So wag kayong mawala at kakausapin natin, no, ang the people behind, no, the beauty of Boracay. Ito yung mga content creators sa pagbabalik po ng ating 3K series.
Everybody wanna wake up. Everybody wanna show what they're made of. Look at all us standing side by side, giving up that green light. What a beautiful sight. Do not walk in our way, though. You cannot stop us, no. That's the way it goes. Shining bright. We're gonna come down with the force and then make history. Oh, what a beautiful sight. The people shining bright. Oh, what a beautiful sight. The people shining bright. Oh, what a beautiful sight. My patience is racing. Why you not hear my cries? Too many times we don't compromise. Yeah, it's the only pure thing left in life that I'm seeing out from within my eyes. Come grab my hand, yeah, we're gonna. Just the way it goes.